Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning. Welcome
DXN
to
family.
yes. Good morning. Welcome to DXN YouTube channel. Today we have one extraordinary guest from Malaysia, where DXN was started. DXN originated from there, Malaysia, and she is a very dynamic lady, born and brought up in Seremban, and after her initial education, she went to London, UK for her integrated education and her training for nursing, and she underwent training in nursing course. Then she is also a postgraduate in nutrition and health. After initially some years of her practical experience in nursing, she came back and worked here for a public health department, and she is a state recognized nurse as well as a state certified midwife, and she has done lot of work on preventive medicine, integrated and preventive health, and nutrition, and her experience in nursing for the society for almost since 1976. She was specialized. She is specialized in oncology nursing in UK, and she has a maternal and child health experience. Afterwards, she has a tremendous knowledge in health education and home nursing. Her love with the DXN started with it is just like a blessing in disguise. Because of the serious health problem of her father, she was attracted to Ganoderma lucidum in the year 2001. And after seeing the result of Ganoderma lucidum, there is no looking back. She has so much of confidence in promoting the wellness sector, wellness management, and teach the people how to be healthy. And she has been almost last 20 years working like a missionary in DXN. Her mission and vision is to heal the people naturally. The healing powers of Ganoderma and all DXN other products that she is going to share her experience today has made her to committedly promote nutrition, wellness, immunity, and prevention. And she has created a health awareness around the globe and contributed to the prevention of diseases, not only in her home country, but around the globe. She has a tremendous knowledge on gynotherapy and Ganoderma, its uses for human health, and her motto is to prevent premature death and remove the health education by giving the health literacy. Her journey, which started 19 years ago, has continued consistently and continuously. And she's traveled extensively to Europe because of her sponsoring delegations to Europe and America. her journey started to European countries and promoting direction. Yes, she has sponsored. She sponsored Mr. Laszlo Cosco in Malaysia in 2008. While he met him, she sponsored him, and her journey, because of that, started in Europe. And she traveled extensively European countries to promoting DXN business around the globe and preaching the people to be healthy and wealthy. Mrs. Jane is a symbol of nutrition and health, and I don't want to tell what is her age, but she still looks ever young because of such a beautiful product of DXN. And it is our great pleasure today in India to invite her to DXN RVC YouTube channel for a question and answer session. Good morning, Madam Jane. You are most welcome.
Good morning, Professor, and good morning, DXM members over India and the globe.
Yes. Thank you, Madam. To you, the first question. Briefly, I told a few aspects about you, but we want to hear from the horse mouth.
Okay.
From the horse mouth only, it is a proper way. As I would like to ask you, Madam, can you explain your early days before DXN?
Okay. Well, at that time, I was a young lady. I had a dream. I wanted to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor, not a nurse. But due to a financial constraint in the family, so I had no choice but pursue my study as a nurse in UK. Okay, so of course, at that time, I have a passionate heart and I love to take care of the needy one. So after graduation, I chose to work in the cancer hospital so that, as a new graduate, so you can give all your tender living care to the needy one. So that was the year in 1976.
Yes, fantastic. Your love for the human service attracted you. Even such a, it is a noble profession, we say. Not only doctor's profession, all paramedical staff, nursing, everything is a noble profession because you are part of the team of healing. It is a team of healing, every one of you. It is very great. You have took a great profession to relieve the suffering of the human being. Madam, how long you were in UK as an oncology nurse?
I stayed in UK for 5 years. 5 years. However, working in the cancer hospital, I worked for 1 year. Yeah. So initially, I was full of enthusiasm, in the oncology nursing. However, later, I felt heartbreaking, seeing the patients coming in and out the hospital for painful treatment. Yeah, they came in for surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, suffering from the side effects and pain from all this treatment. And worst of all, after some time, they had relapsed. So, when we work in the hospital, we have very good connection with patients. We build up very good relationship. So they were not only our patient, they were our friends. So finally, I decided to leave oncology nursing after one of my last patients passed away. He was only 35. After so many years, I could still remember his name. he had a brain tumor. At 35, he had a brain tumor. He had a beautiful wife. And his older child was 5 years old. The second one was 3. The younger one was a baby. We had very close bonding with the family. I know the family very well. So can you imagine when this patient passed away, the grief that I have? I still can have tears in my eyes. So in my oncology nursing, it was heartbreaking. So I left. I left the cancer hospital. Then I went for the studies in my maternal and child health. That was mid-50. Yeah. So of course, going around for 5 years, then it was time for me to return to Malaysia.
Yes, return to Malaysia, continued your journey as a nurse, nursing profession. When you came back to your motherland in Malaysia, and how long you continued with the public service?
Yes, I returned to Malaysia in 1981. And then, of course, I got married. Yeah. Then as a housewife and also as a working mother. So I work in the public health section, dealing with maternal and child health. So, and then of course, we gave a lot of health education, teaching the mother how to become a healthy pregnant mothers, and then how to bring up their babies, especially through breastfeeding, and then to how to bring up their child, baby, and then so that the child can physically and mentally healthy. Okay, so that was monotonous for almost 16 years. 16 years. Okay, then of course I have 2 children. Then my second child came along. So that was the time, sometimes in 1997. So due to, I had to looking after my baby girl. So I took optional retirement to look after my baby. Yeah. And then of course, I took part-time teaching in one of the nursing school in one of the popular hospital in Kuala Lumpur. So that was my monotonous life after I returned to homeland.
How and when you were attracted to DXN?
So that was a good question. Okay. And of course, I came to DXN in the year 2001. It was because my father's illness. When my father was in his mid-40s, he had high blood pressure. He had diabetes. So when he was in his early 70s, he developed the complications of diabetes. Mm-hmm. So he actually, in 1 month, he had 4 strokes, meaning he had ruptured blood vessels in his brain. Can you imagine? The doctor had to open up his brain, remove the blood clot. However, 3 days later, he had another rupture. So continuously 1 month, he had 4 rupture of blood vessels. Doctor did not give him any hope. I was very, very sad because I love my father very much. The only way I turned to prayer. I pray to God. I love my father very much. I haven't spent enough time to love my father, to care my father, to pay back my gratitude. I cried to God. And God listened to my prayer. A messenger came along. That was my sponsor from DXN. He came with DXN Gadodama, the RG and GL. I did not know what it was. He showed me RG and GL. I asked him what it was, what it can do. How can he help my father? So to convince me, my sponsor was very wise. He took up his medical report, thick medical report, it was so thick like this. And I flipped through his report. He was about 60 years old, yeah, and he had diabetes, and he had all the complications of diabetes. He had poor vision, and of course, not only poor vision, kidney problem, high blood pressure, gangrene, so many complications. But I look at him, he looks so healthy. He looked very healthy. So therefore, I turned to the last page of his medical record. And he said he consumed for 2 years DXN, RG, and GL. And by then, he wasn't on any medication. So with that medical report, I chose to believe him because I did not know what it's all about. If he could look so healthy after taking DSN Gadudama for 2 years with his report that he showed to me, he wasn't on medication. There must be something healing properties in the Gadudama. So I chose to believe him and put my father on DSN RGGM. And my father took it diligently. At that time, he only took 6 RZ6GL every day. And 3 months later, my father recovered completely from his stroke. So I started to feed the jigsaw puzzles together. So when I was in the nursing career, I did not see any hope to my patients with high blood pressure, with diabetes, and all this degenerative disease actually was caused by clogging of blood vessels, clogging of lymphatic system. There was no hope. But with my sponsor's record, I believe Gadudama is the solution I was looking for. So I started to collect a lot of research papers. I know to read Chinese, yeah. So that was my privilege. So most of the research papers, they were written in Chinese. So the research paper, they were from China, from Taiwan, and a lot of researchers went to New Zealand. So they also have a lot of research papers from New Zealand. Then of course, research paper from United States, Canada. So after I collected all these research papers, then I found the solution. Gadudama is a blood circulator, and it has all the healing nutrients to repair damaged cells. So I was very excited. This is what I was looking for. However, why I chose DXN Gadudama? Then I made comparisons. DXN Gadudama is so unique. When I make comparison, DXN is so different. The species is different. The age of harvest is different. And of course, they use cold method, fiber separation. And then the concentration, 20 kilo of the wet mushroom, you get 1 kilo. And that is the greatest efficacy I discovered in DSM.
Fantastic, madam. That is really mind-boggling because you spent your so much of precious time looking into the various researches taken place on this great herb, savior of humanity for the last 40 years. And afterwards, you got yourself convinced because of the result you got on your own father. That is a great thing, and that is what the story of most of us who are attracted to Ganoderma in somebody in our family, somebody are close to us, somebody close friends or relatives who have seen, whom we have seen suffering and got relieved, then we were so much motivated to promote this. And what is your vision and mission in DXM?
So thank you for the question. In fact, before I found DXN, I only saw the sea of sufferings. So I was dreaming, how could I help those patients? I really wish I could put a float into the sea of sufferings and fish them out one by one from the sea of sufferings. But when I discovered that DXN gynotherapy, I see the sea of hope. Sea of hope. Because gynotherapy provides us with holistic management of our health. It gives you the essential nutrient to support the body and optimize our immune system function. And most importantly, this range of gynotherapy products is able to help us to eliminate toxins from our body on a daily basis so that our body system can rejuvenate on a daily basis to restore the cell, tissue, organ, and systemic functions. And there was another very important factor that had been overlooked by a lot of professionals, especially the health professionals. The stress that have caused a lot of harm to the body. And gynotherapy is able to help us to modulate our stress and help us to cope with stress. That's why with all these healing properties, we are able to achieve harmonious functions of all parts of the body. And that's why I am confidently say that now my vision is sea of hope. Yeah. So, and then what about the mission? We are in the same mission with DXN. Look at DXN today. It's 27 years. And why DXN? We have global success. We must give a big thank you to our CEO, Dr. Lin, for his continuous teaching of gynotherapy. Have you ever seen a company CEO high up in the company management going around the world, the global, teaching gynotherapy? And he is the pride of our Malaysia, pride of our global DSM. So therefore, I carry the same mission like Dr. Lee. We are making the difference. We are educating the world. Together, we want to create a health awareness to map out ignorance, disease, and suffering. So that's why DXN, Dr. Lim's mission, health, wealth, and happiness is real in DXN. It's real. And many members, we have more than 10 million members worldwide, and many have achieved health, wealth, and happiness, including our Professor Wasupa.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. Before I go to the next question, for the sake of Indian viewers, most of them in in India, certain parts of India, they can't understand the English. That's why a gist of your summarization I would like to make, particularly your vision and mission statement, as well as how you were attracted to Ganadharma and how emotionally you have found result in healing the people through DXN product. अभी हमारे साथ मैडम जैन, आप सभी को बहुत लोगों को मालूम हो गए होंगे। मैडम जैन ने ये ऑन्कोलॉजी स्पेशलाइज्ड नर्स थी बाद में वो नर्सिंग में, मैटरनिटी में, चाइल्ड केयर में सभी डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया है। ये तो नर्सिंग स्टडी फर्स्ट वो यूनाइटेड किंगडम यूके में की करने के बाद 5 बरस वहाँ काम करके वापस मलेशिया आई। मलेशिया आने के बाद में पब्लिक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में मलेशिया गवर्नमेंट का साथ वो 1997 के तक 16 बरस काम करके देन वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट लिए। वो वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट लेने के बाद उसको 2001 में उसका फादर का वेरी सीरियस हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम था, उसको डायबिटीज है और ब्लड प्रेशर और हार्ट प्रॉब्लम, मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम। ये प्रॉब्लम में उसको स्ट्रोक आ गया, स्ट्रोक में ब्रेन हेमरेज हो गया। होने के बाद ऑपरेशन हो गया, एक बार 2 बार। वो बताया उसको बचने का बहुत मुश्किल है, घड़ी घड़ी हेमरेज हो सकता है। उस समय में उसको एक नॉन लोगों से इसका नाइबर और फ्रेंड के रूप में एक आदमी आए, वो खुद गैनाडर्मा यूज करके उसका टेस्टिमोनियल सभी बीइंग मैडम जेन एज ए नर्स, वो सभी रिपोर्ट को उसका फ्रेंड का वो जो उसका स्पॉन्सर का रिपोर्ट, वो 60 बरस के ऊपर उम्र था, उसको भी डायबिटीज, ब्लड प्रेशर, ये सभी कॉम्प्लिकेशन था। वो 2 बरस से गैनाडर्मा खाकर बाद में उसको इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। वो सभी रिपोर्ट के साथ वो मैडम को मीट करने के बाद मैडम को इतना कन्विंस हो गया, ये नेचुरल चीज को हम क्यों देखकर ट्राई नहीं कर सकता है। इस तरह उसका फादर का हेल्थ के कारण वो गैनाडर्मा ने उसको फादर को यूज करने शुरू किया। इससे बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलने के बाद उसका इंटरेस्ट डीएक्सन में बढ़ते 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 गए। वो कारण से इसने बहुत रिसर्च पेपर को, मैडम को चाइनीज लैंग्वेज भी मालूम है, इसीलिए बहुत ओरिजिनल रिसर्च पेपर चाइनीज लैंग्वेज में था, उसको पढ़ा। देन बाद में इंटरनेशनली कहाँ कहाँ गैनाडर्मा के बारे में रिसर्च हो गया है, वो ताइवान, स्विट्जरलैंड, यूएस सभी देश में कहाँ रिसर्च पेपर्स 30-40 बरस से वो पब्लिश हो गया है, उसको सभी स्टडी करने को शुरू किया। ये स्टडी करने के बाद इतना इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया उसको, एक गैनाडर्मा कैसे मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करता है, कर सकता है, वो करने का प्रूफ को देखा। प्रूफ के देखने के बाद इस तरह का एक अनइमेजिनेबल गॉड्स गिफ्ट टू मैनकाइंड फ्रॉम नेचर से इस तरह का एक जड़ी बूटी हो सकता है। एंटी स्ट्रेस है एंड सेल को रीजनरेट कर सकता है। अभी यह सभी हमारा जो ऑर्गन है उसको वो लगभग रिपेयर कर सकता है, उसको ठीक कर सकता है। उसको देखकर उसको इतना इंटरेस्ट हो गया, ये ज्ञान थेरेपी के बारे में बहुत सीखा। फर्स्टली हमारा प्यारे फाउंडर से, डॉक्टर दातो लिम्सियोजिन से। ये तो बीइंग ए ओनर ऑफ ए कंपनी, इस तरह का नॉलेज, ये खुद का नॉलेज ऑन गैनाडर्मा लुसिडम, खुद का रिसर्च, खुद का ज्ञान थेरेपी से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हो गए। बाद में वो डीएक्सन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस को देखकर कोई भी दुनिया में इस तरह का कंपनी नहीं है, इतना हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट को उत्पत्ति करने में टोटल कंसंट्रेशन, राइट फ्रॉम कल्टीवेशन टू प्रोसेसिंग, फाइबर सेपरेशन, ये सभी टेक्नोलॉजी जो टाइप ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी डीएक्सन एंड दिस कोल्ड एक्सट्रैक्शन मेथड, ऑल दिस जो, और हमारा रेशियो गैनाडर्मा का 20 किलो वेट गैनाडर्मा से 1 ही किलो हमने ड्राई गैनाडर्मा को पाउडर को निकालता है। ये सभी का कारण से हमारा रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा है जो लोगों को देते हैं, कोई भी हेल्थ इश्यू हो, हेल्थ चैलेंज हो, उसको नेचुरल हीलिंग और नेचुरल रिलीफ मिलता है। ये देखकर मुझे इतना खुश हो गया, मैंने एक मिशनरी बन गया। मेरा मिशन है हीलिंग द पीपल। मैंने पहले मेरा प्रोफेशन में मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, बट हमारे फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के कारण मैंने डॉक्टर नहीं पढ़ सका, इसीलिए मैंने नर्सिंग को गया। वो नर्सिंग में भी हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है हीलिंग द पीपल, गिविंग रिलीफ टू द सफरिंग ऑफ मैनकाइंड। इसी ये गैनडर्मा हमको इतना अच्छा कामयाब बन गए लोगों को सफरिंग को कम करने में। इसके बारे में मुझे बहुत गर्व है, घमंड हूँ। मैंने इतना खुश है मेरे साथ। ये मेरा मिशन लोगों को हीलिंग करना, और विजन है डीएक्सएन को घर घर को लेकर जाना। इसीलिए ये मैं इतना खुश हूँ आज आपके साथ मेरा ये एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करने के लिए। मैडम, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू।
Okay.
How you met Mr. Laszlo Kocho and opened European market?
Okay. So actually, I believe this is God's arrangement, because I did not know Kokcho Laszlo. So actually, one day in the year 2008, one day there was a strange phone call. She said, "Madam Jane, please come to headquarters in DSMPJ. I wanted to sell some coffee." So somebody wanted to sell coffee, so I went to the HQ. So and then Mr. Laszlo, and our country manager just walked in. Yeah. So when they walked in, of course, the country manager was very happy to see me there. So, and he said, "Madam Jane, you are very experienced in gynotherapy. Can you explain to Mr. Kocho Laszlo about DSN gynotherapy?" And Mr. Kocho at that time, his English was no good.
Yes,
So
he was not knowing.
Yeah.
That time he was not knowing.
Yeah, he is from Hungary. So
Yes.
I tried to communicate with him, and it was quite difficult, So of course, at that time, I'm computer illiterate. I don't have a computer to show him what I know, but I was a public health nurse, so I have a lot of teaching aids, teaching material in the paper form.
Yes.
So all is hard copy, So I
Yes.
show Mr. Kocho Laszlo how my father was ill, and this is Gadodama, all the story I show him, So all my story was in my red file. However, Mr. Kocho Laszlo, I did not know whether he understood or not. He went home. I gave him a card. Yeah, Jane Yao, and an email and telephone. So he sent me an email, a long list of health problems, how we can solve it with DXN Gadodama. Okay, so of course after that he came to Malaysia many, many times, and we met many times. And that time Dr. Lin was very, very busy. He wanted to meet Dr. Lin. He went to the farm, and then every time he had no chance to meet Dr. Lin. So finally I gave Dr. Lin a phone call. This is a genuine man looking for health solution from Hungary, and he's very interested in DSN Gadodama. So Dr. Lin came from Alostar to PJ to meet Laszlo. I think it was many times. It was 8 times then we met Dr. Lin. So that's how we met, and Dr. Lin started meeting with Mr. Laszlo and the team. Okay, so there was good meeting, and so Dr. Lim said, okay, if you can gather lots of people in Hungary, then we will open up the market in Hungary. So then Mr. Kocho Laszlo is very, very specialized in M&M. Yes. Okay, and he's very, very specialized in internet networking. Yes. So of course he organized internet meeting. So I started to prepare a lot of presentation through the slides and all that. And a lot of people, professionals, and then we train them through internet. So finally, in the year 2008, Laszlo said, okay, we have enough people. You please come over for roadshow. So of course, my son came with me because he has to, prepare my slides and all that. And we were on our feet all the time. And Mr. Kocho Laszlo was so hardworking. We jumped into his car and then from one city to another. Okay. And, we didn't have proper sleep and no time to change. We came out from the car, I put on the overcoat, and then we start presentation. That was our life, for 3 years.
Yes.
2008, then 2009, Dr. Lim came over. He launched a meeting DSN office in Hungary, in Budapest. And that was the time we started again, of course, with Laszlo, with all the other leaders. Then we penetrate to so many nearby countries, Slovakia, Czech, and Greece, of course. And then, of course, after so many countries and Hungary, we find that the management cannot cope with the big volumes of sales in Europe. So DXN and Dr. Lim made the decision. Okay, so Mr. Gigit was sent to Europe in the year 2011. That's how we expanded so many countries, other countries like Italy, Spain, Poland, Turkey, etc. So it's already 11 years in Europe. So it was tough initially, but we enjoy. I enjoy teaching. And of course, Laszlo is my partner. He's very competent in networking. And all my teachings, he put into his internet videos. So that's how our health education is able to get across, the gynotherapy is able to get across to Europe, etc. So that's how our Mr. Kocho Laszlo became the fastest Crown Ambassador. So that was our story. Mr. Kocho Laszlo is more than, and not only my business partner, we are like a brother and sister.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Do you remember we had our first international leadership camp at Chalkidiki?
Yes, correct. We met
me
there.
and my wife.
Yes, that was our second European leadership camp.
Leadership camp.
I remember. Yes,
2012.
yes. Correct.
2012 we came there. That was our first visit to Hungary.
Yes.
And we stayed there about a month and went to different countries in the Europe.
Right.
And traveled hectically. Different Poland.
Correct.
Yes. All these.
So, thank you for your motivation, because my team also appreciate you and Dr. Ratna's presentation.
That is one of the meetings which made the kickstart of a big expansion. Correct. That time, I think Mr. Laszlo Kosko was a double diamond or senior star diamond, something like that.
Yes.
Afterwards, his expansion went very fast.
Very fast. Yeah.
Yes. So I will just translate in just a summary. अभी मैडम ने बताया, मैडम is responsible for यूरोप को मार्केट को ओपन करने के लिए मैडम जेन ने रिस्पॉन्सिबल, क्योंकि उस समय जो लास्लो कॉस्को ने मलेशिया फैक्ट्री देखने आया, वो वहाँ फर्स्ट विजिट करने आए, उस समय वहाँ का मलेशिया का कंट्री मैनेजर मैडम जेन को बुलाया, उसको डीएक्सन के बारे में, गैनाडर्मा के बारे में, गैनोथेरेपी के बारे में ब्रीफली बताने के लिए। उस समय डॉक्टर लिम सियो जिन ने नहीं थे, आप इसलिए नहीं अवेलेबल थे। बाद में लास्लो कास्का ने इसके साथ उस समय में उसको इतना नॉलेज भी नहीं था इंग्लिश, बट ग्रेट डिफिकल्टी मैडम ने जो इसके साथ वो सभी फाइल था डीएक्सएन के बारे में, ये फाइल को सभी दिखाए और देखने के बाद में अगेन वो वेंट बैक टू हंगेरी। बाद में ये इस तरह 2-3 बार 4 बार आने के बाद में वो उसका इंटरेस्ट इतना बढ़ गया गैनाडार्मा के बारे में। ये उसने बताया वो सीरियसली काम करने लिम्सिव जिनको ये वन ऑफ द विजिट में मीटिंग होने के बाद वो तैयारी करने के लिए हंगेरी यूरोप का मार्केट को ओपन करने के लिए तैयारी करने के लिए शुरू किए। ये कारण से 2008 में ये हंगेरी 2008 एंड नाउ एक्चुअली ऑफिशियली 2010 मैडम हंगेरी ओपन
2009.
9
Yes.
तो 2009 में हंगेरी का ओपन ऑफिशियली हो गया। बाद में हमारा 2012 में एक इंटरनेशनल लीडरशिप कैंप में बहुत बड़ा बूस्ट गया। इनिशियली इतना मुश्किल से ये एक्सपांड करने के लिए कंट्री टू कंट्री इन एंड अराउंड कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप डेली बहुत महीने तक ये मैडम ने ट्रैवल किया along with लास्लो कास्को एंड लास्लो कोचो ने इसने बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क करता, उसको नेटवर्किंग के बारे में एमएलएम के बारे में बहुत बड़ा नॉलेज पहले ही थी। ये कारण से इसने ये प्रोडक्ट का रिजल्ट को देखने के बाद नो लुकिंग बैक इसने इतना काम किया, इतना स्पीड में गया, वो फास्टेस्ट क्राउन एम्बेसडर बन गए। उस समय में हमने 2012 में हम गए थे वहाँ इंटरनेशनल लीडरशिप कैंप को, वहाँ से बहुत बड़ा एक बूस्ट मिला मैडम ने बताया। ये तो मैडम का अभी का जो आंसर दिया उसका सारांश है। So madam, next question to you.
Yes.
How do you view DXN is for wellness rather than for diseases?
Yes. Definitely DXN is for wellness. Yeah. You know, our health span determines our lifespan. If you do not maintain your health on a daily basis, you are unable to achieve good health and longevity. Now, due to our lifestyle, eating habits, yeah. So you are eating 3 meals, 4 meals, maybe 5 meals. You're thinking you have enough nutrients for yourself, but those food is only fill out the stomach, give you some energy. But do you know we have trillion cells in the body? You need to feed the trillion cells in the body, and your trillion cells is exposed to a lot of toxins, pesticides, water pollution, air pollution, radiation, okay, free radicals. So you have damaged cells on a daily basis. Yeah, you have wear and tears. Look at yourself as a body, all right, like a car. You have a lot of engines and you have spare part which is spoiled. You can replace it. But our body, our spare parts, our heart, our liver, our lungs, our kidneys, our gastrointestinal system, all these are our spare parts, and you don't have spare part, you can't buy it. So you have to make sure all these organ and system you take care on a daily basis. And DXN gives you the best nutrients. And Gadudama, for your information, it is one of the most alkaline food on earth. Okay? And it also contains a lot of nutrients to support your body. And all these nutrients are functional. Yeah. So it will give you the basic nutrition, essential for repairs and improve blood circulation. Okay, maintain optimal immune system. So with all this, your sell the wear and tears, you can repair. If you have a pot of plant, you don't bother. You don't water the plant every day. So one day your plant died and dried up. So can you revive your plant? Same thing with our body. You need to nurture on a daily basis to give the right nutrient to repair the wear and tears. And any clogged circulation, you need to remove it. Yeah, it's just like having a maid in the body, cleaning, repair, cleaning, and repair. So with this, we are able to nurture our health span, maintain our health span, and that will determine our lifespan.
वेरी गुड. आप मेडे ने अभी बताया कैसे मशीन को सर्विस करना चाहिए. वो कोई भी मशीन हो, वो हमारा कार है, वो मशीन है. इसी तरह बहुत कुछ मशीन का मशीन परफेक्ट काम करने के लिए उसका सर्विसिंग चाहिए. उसी तरह ये ह्यूमन बॉडी ये मशीन है. ये मशीन को हम ठीक करने के लिए, ठीक रखने के लिए हमको डेली विटामिन, मिनरल, अमीनो एसिड, ट्रेस एलिमेंट्स ये सभी चाहिए. तभी ये गाड़ी ठीक ठाक से चलेंगे. आप देखे होंगे अभी एक प्लांट हो तो हमको ये घर में हमारा ये फूल पत्ते का हो गए तो उसको हमने डेली पानी डालता है. अभी उसको हम नहीं पानी नहीं डालेंगे, 20 दिन 30 दिन 1 महीने पानी नहीं डाले तो क्या होंगे, वो ड्राई अप होंगे. ड्राई अप होने के बाद में, टोटली ड्राई अप होने के बाद में आप पानी डालते हो भी यूज नहीं है, बिकॉज वो प्लांट मर जाएंगे क्योंकि उसको डेली रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं मिला. इसी तरह हमारा शरीर डेली रिक्वायरमेंट है. ये विटामिन, मिनरल, अमीनो एसिड, ट्रेस एलिमेंट ये सभी न्यूट्रिशन हमारा डेली रिक्वायरमेंट है. इसलिए हमारा गाड़ी ठीक ठाक से चलने के लिए ये डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स को गैनाडार्मा जैसी फूड सप्लीमेंट को, स्पिरुलिना को और सभी डीएक्सएन प्रोडक्ट को हम डेली यूज करें तो हमने दीर्घायुषी बन सकता है. बताइए मैडम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू. व्हाई prevention today is more important than ever before?
Yeah. Thank you for the question. This is a very, very important question. Human lifespan should be 100 years old to 120 years old. But why are some people unable to achieve golden old age? This is because people are dying from diseases. If I take you to the hospital, especially children hospital, children, why there are some children having leukemia? Why there are some children having cancer? Yeah, and then of course, my youngest patient who had a stroke, he was 25. And I just lost a patient. She was only 30. She had leukemia. And 45 years old, someone has liver cancer. And of course, many people at 50 and 60, they have complications of blood vessels related problems. They die from stroke, they die from heart disease, etc. So many people cannot achieve golden old age. And these premature death, they are preventable. So if you want to talk about prevention, we need to understand the root cause of the degenerative diseases. And if in fact the root cause of degenerative diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, they have the same root cause. So you need to understand this philosophy. Now, this is very simple. Look at the river. If the river is clean, alkaline, you have lots of fish, lots of life in the river. But look at our human body. Look at the philosophy of health. We have a sewage system, comes in the form of blood circulation and then lymphatic system. And when this blood circulation and lymphatic system get clogged up, can you imagine the cells, tissues, organs, they will be deprived of nutrients. And then oxygenation cannot reach the cellular levels. Immune cells cannot reach the targeted cells. So that's why cancer can spread on the other side of the blockage. And what about the toxins? You can't eliminate toxins because of your sewage system are congested and blocked up. So this is the root cause of most of the health problem today. Now, gynotherapy. Gynotherapy is the preventive science. Why I say this is a preventive science? It gives you all the functions. Number one, provide you with essential nutrition, right? And the clogged circulation, we have adenosine in the Ganoderma is able to dislodge and clog all the microcirculations. And this is important because when the Ganoderma unclog the blockage of the blood circulation, detoxification can take place. And of course, optimize our immune system, and then rejuvenation of the cells, tissue, organ, and system can take place. And most importantly, the stress. If your body is in a stress mode all the time, your blood circulation can constrict, and that will worsen the clogged blood circulation. And this gynotherapy helps you to cope with stress. You can relax your body, and your body can produce happy hormone. So with this whole range of healing pillars, you are able to restore your natural healing abilities. And this prevention is not only confined to the sick people, to people all walks of life. And I'm specialized in maternal and child health. And the prevention have to go beyond that, beyond pregnancy. Pregnant mothers, they have to take care of their babies throughout their pregnancy so that we will have healthy young generation. And this is why prevention is so important.
Prevention is better than cure. As you know that today there are no solution. We are realizing in this COVID period, there is no solution. And only the solution is natural healing like Ganoderma lucidum. Madam ने बताया ज्ञानोथेरेपी is a preventive science. ये रोगों को रोकने के लिए है, इम्यून सिस्टम को बढ़ाने के लिए है, हमारा शरीर का रीजनरेशन के लिए है और रिजुवनेशन के लिए ये सभी डिएक्शन का प्रोडक्ट है. ये इतना अच्छा डिस्ट्रेस करते हैं हमारा बॉडी को रिजुवनेट करके हमारा प्री मैच्योर डेथ. अभी हमने बहुत जल्दी ये एजिंग कारण से के बहुत लोगों ने नहीं मरता है. एजिंग ये पहले ही यंग एज में लोगों को बहुत रोग आता है, इससे मरता है. इसलिए ये प्री मैच्योर डेथ को वो बुढ़ापन के पहले आने वाले रोग और जो लोग रोग से मरेंगे उसको रोक सकता है. इसीलिए इसमें सभी नेचुरल हीलिंग एबिलिटी है। ये प्रोडक्ट तो इतना अच्छा हमारा सिस्टम के ऊपर काम करते हैं, हमारा हेल्थ को रखने के लिए, स्वास्थ्य को रखने के लिए। इसीलिए ये सभी प्रोडक्ट रोग के लिए ही यूज करना नहीं है। जो रोग है उसको फायदा शायद मिल सकता है, बट जो लोगों को रोग नहीं है, ये रोगों को रोकने के लिए, इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए, ये प्रिवेंशन के लिए है। ये प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर। इसीलिए हमने ये प्रिवेंशन के लिए ये सभी प्रोडक्ट को यूज करना बताती है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैडम, व्हाई प्रिवेंशन टुडे इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एवर बिफोर?
We finished that, Professor.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And can you briefly throw a light on cordyceps and lion's mane on human health?
Yes.
Because I know that you are a specialist in that.
Okay. Now we know very well, Gadudama, RGGL, they are generalist. General, they are like GP. GP, they make you do everything for yourself. Improve circulation, and then they do repair cells, etc. But Cordyceps is a specialist product. Specialist because it is targeted on lung function, heart function, kidney function, and of course, it gives you, enhance your energy, stamina, and endurance. Yeah. So I have used it for almost 19 years. I want to share with you, there are a few patients that when I put them on this specialist product, there was an old lady. She had a surgery removing her, her tumor in her abdomen. And after that, she developed lung infection. So when her pneumonia was so bad, she was put in a ventilator and in the ICU, and doctor put a lot of antibiotic, but could not help her. But the children came to me, and I quietly give them some cordyceps. Yeah. And so they open up the cordyceps capsules and mix with the water. Okay. And the patient was on tube feeding. So the children put the cordyceps into the tube, feeding tubes. And it was so amazing. 3 days later, the patient started to squeeze a lot of phlegms, mucus from the nose and the mouth. So fortunately, the patient was in ICU. So the nurse sucked out a lot of mucus and all the secretions, and the patient woke up. So that was one of my good testimony for lung infection when I gave cordyceps. And there was another patient, he was a baby. The baby was born with congenital heart defect. And poor baby was only 3 months old, but he had asthma with a hole in the heart. So he was a blue baby. Every time he cried, he turned blue. And then he couldn't suck on the mother breast milk because he couldn't breathe. So he was on tube breathing. The doctor, the heart surgeon, wanted to do an open heart surgery, but they couldn't perform because of poor oxygenation. So the mother came to me. I quietly told the mother, okay, you can give your baby some cordyceps. They open up the capsules, mixed with the breast milk, and 1 week later, the parents called me out. The child's oxygenation was optimum. The doctor said the child was fit for open heart surgery. So the child went through open heart surgery, and today the child is already a healthy young man, 19 years old. So that was very good, and I was so happy. Of course, there are so many more, like coronary heart blockages. I use so many of them, and with the RG and GL, and we can reverse the blockage. So some of them, they were supposed to have bypass or even the angioplasty. They don't have to do that. So there were so many of them. And of course, patients with low libido, especially patients with diabetes, yeah, they have low libido. So cordyceps is able to give them endurance, and they call it natural Viagra. So this is very good for them. They're very happy with it. And athletes in Europe, many of the young men, especially footballers, yeah, and then they use a lot of cordyceps, and they have very good lung function and heart function, and that boosts their stamina, so they can perform very well in their sports. Okay, and linesmen. Linesman, actually, I would call it a physical and mental health manager. It has many functions. It improves your nervous system, your digestive system, your immune system, and improve your minute blood vessels, and therefore it enhances your brain circulation, kidney circulation, and most importantly, it modulates the stress. We know very well when someone has stress, it has effect on our digestive system directly. So a lot of people, when they are stressful, they have indigestion, have bloatedness, they have irritable bowel syndrome, etc. So when they have this problem, they do not know what to do. So I will give them RGAGL and give them lots of linesmen to help them to cope with the stress, number one. Number two, it will improve their digestive system. So people with irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, and constipation that is related to stress. And linesman is very good to improve the movements of the intestines. So I have very good results. And people, especially who are stressful, end up with depression. We have so many depressions in Europe. I give them RGGL, linesman, spirulina, and most of them are able to restore their physical and mental health. Yeah. So this is my joy in DSM. So of course, linesmen become the spotlight of Western researcher. Why? Because they discovered linesmen can repair cell function. So this is very good for people with stroke, people with Alzheimer's disease, dementia. Yeah. So, and of course, I just came back from Europe last year. We had so many children with autism. I give them, yes, I give them linesman, GL, spirulina, and most of them could not speak, and they have disabled in learning. And I had so many testimonies. They become intelligent. They can speak and learn in school. And of course, this is our joy, to help people to restore and enjoy their quality life.
वेरी गुड. मैडम ने बताया, मैडम का एक्सपीरियंस को मैंने पूछा अब कार्डिसेप्स और लायंसमेयर के बारे में. इसने बताया बाय ब्रीफ लंग फंक्शन को अच्छा करने के लिए, लंग का 100% अच्छा फंक्शन को ये कार्डिसेप्स मदद करेंगे. लंग फंक्शन, हार्ट फंक्शन, किडनी फंक्शन, ये बहुत बड़ा काम करेंगे, वंडरफुल काम करेंगे कार्डिसेप्स अलॉन्ग विद द गैलेडर्मा ये तो. और लंग इन्फेक्शन और कोरोनरी हार्ट डिसीजेस, इसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट हमको मिला है. बहुत पेशेंट से मैं देखा हूँ, ये बहुत एग्जाम्पल ने मैडम ने कोट किया. और ये बहुत अच्छा है ये स्पोर्ट्समैन के लिए, बिकॉज वो स्टेमिना को बूस्ट करेंगे. बहुत अच्छा काम करता है अलॉन्ग विद स्पिरुलिना इसको दिए तो. और लायंसमैन ये तो नंबर 1 मेंटल हेल्थ टॉनिक बता सकता हूँ मैंने, बिकॉज ये ब्रेन के ऊपर बहुत अजूबा काम करता है और इसने बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला है. ये माइंड रिलेटेड कोई भी डिसीज, अब वे ऑटिज्म होंगे, डेमेंशिया होंगे, पैरालिसिस का लोग हो सकता है, कोई भी ये ब्रेन और माइंड रिलेटेड इश्यूज है, इसमें बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट हमको मिलता है। ये बहुत अच्छा मॉड्यूलेटर ऑफ स्ट्रेस भी है। हमने बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट को देखा है गैनाडर्म के साथ, इसको भी कॉम्बिनेशन में दिए तो अच्छा रिजल्ट आना इरिटेबल बाउल सिंड्रोम में, आईबीएस में। इस तरह का बहुत कुछ डिसीज में ये स्पेशलाइज्ड काम करने के लिए ये बहुत कार्डिसेप्स एंड लाइंसमैन कामयाब बनते हैं, बताया। So as a senior nurse, how do you view your practical experience in infertility cases by using DXN products? Because I saw some of your testimonial also on DXN fans. I used to say.
Yes, yeah. Thank you for the question. Actually, in fact, I have a lot of WhatsApp from other countries also asking the same questions. Huh? Okay, so you see, young couple, most of them, they don't take care of your diet and nutrition, and on top of that, they're leading a stressful life. Yeah, stressful life, and then of course, especially they don't have enough sleep, and their life is like candle burning on two ends. Okay, so they're burning their health away, and in fact, our technology, handphone, computer, that also cause a lot of problems. I want to share with you. I had a couple. They married for 6 years, and they have infertility. Okay, so the wife was okay, but the husband, he was a businessman, and he put all his mobile phone in his pocket. And can you imagine when the phone rings, it interferes with the reproductive system. So when they went for investigation, the husband had very low sperm count, and then the mobility, then in the sperm cannot move fast, and also defect in the sperms. Some sperm had no head and some sperm had no tail. So the husband was one of the cause of the infertility. So, however, for women due to stress, due to poor nutrition, and most of them they have hormonal system imbalance. So either they have irregular periods, sometimes they have cysts, ovarian cysts, etc. So that cause a lot of problem, and then they have endometrium problems. So a lot of factors. So how do we cope with all this infertility? Husband and wife, you give them mega dose of RG and GL to balance back their system. Okay, so normally I give them 15 RG, 15 GL. They can even take 30 RG, 30 GL. Okay, and 30 spirulina. Spirulina actually is one of the best nutrients to increase sperm count. Okay, so spirulina is very good, and of course with cordyceps, and that will solve a lot of problems. So in fact, most of my infertility couple, after they take for 6 months, physically they have no problem, but after they balance their body, most of them they have babies. And yeah, of course, during pregnancy, you have to take care of the mother also. Make sure that you continue DSM products. So we have healthy mother and healthy babies.
Healthy baby.
Yes.
थैंक यू मैडम। मैडम जैन का आंसर है इनफर्टिलिटी केसेस को बहुत कुछ 19 बरस में मैंने बहुत केसेस को मैं देखा हूँ, जो लोगों को बच्चे नहीं हैं, वो स्पर्म काउंट लो है, मोटिलिटी ज़्यादा है, ये सभी में मैंने जो दिया है, बहुत हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ को, दोनों पति पत्नी को साथ में हमने मिनिमम 15 RG 15 GL, और वो ज़्यादा उसके पैसा है तो खाने के लिए मैं एडवाइस करता हूँ 30 RG 30 GL, उसके साथ 30 स्पिरुलिना, ये लिए तो बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलता है, बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट। अबे हमने लो डोज में, कम डोज में भी देखा है, बट बहुत महीने होंगे, बरस हो सकता है उसका रिजल्ट मिलने में। यहाँ इसमें ये हाई डोज में, मेगा डोज में मैंने 6 महीने से 8 महीने के अंदर मैंने बहुत रिजल्ट देखा है। और स्पिरुलिना बहुत अच्छा है इस स्पर्म काउंट को इंक्रीज करने के लिए। दोनों को दिए तो बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मैंने मेरा एक्सपीरियंस में देखा हूँ, RGGL स्पिरुलिना में बताया। और इसके साथ कार्डिसेप्स भी देना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज वो कार्डिसेप्स को भी दिए तो उसका एक्शन बहुत अच्छा से तीनों कॉम्बिनेशन में चलता है। Then madam, last but not the least, we are nearing to the end. What are your advices to new distributors who are aspiring to grow big in DXM?
Thank you for the question. Yeah. The first thing I would tell the new distributors, DXN is a Gadudama company. So knowledge of Gadudama is very, very important. So knowledge is powerhouse. Yeah. So you see, my initial life in my DSN, I started with this. Study what is Gadudama. And of course, equip yourself with the knowledge, and then you make use of it. You have to be confident. When you have knowledge, you're confident. So make full use of the products. Yeah. And then your passionate heart. All of you, young distributors, you can be successful. The only thing I want from you is your heart. Love yourself. Love yourself. The health not only belongs to you, it belongs to your family. So you have to take care of yourself with the SM products. Consume the products, and then you will feel what are the benefits. Then you share with your passionate heart, your experience to your family, to your friends, to your community. So sharing is caring. Then, of course, you have to do case studies. When you give the products to your clients, then you ask your clients, make a note, write a diary after they consume the products for 1 week. What kind of reaction you have? A client may have the same problem like high blood pressure. Two of them, they have same problem, high blood pressure, but two of them may have different internal problems. So they have different reactions, and all the body language has to be in your fingertips, because the symptoms that you get feedback from your client, they are body language, and you can master why that patient have that kind of symptoms, and that could be your wisdom in future to manage all the health problems in your network. Okay, so
Yes.
manage them properly, and then make sure you work with them. Yeah, make sure, give them support, give them confidence, and when they have healing crises, then you have adjust their dose, make sure they are comfortable. Okay, and when they gain back their health, they are going to be your big testimony, and they're going to be your health ambassador. You are creating health ambassador among your team, and that is your network. Okay, and of course, this is very important. You team up together with them with the healing network, and that is powerful. And of course, for those who are DXM members, we have lots of these household products. DXN is like a mini market. You have all the household products. You have toothpaste, you have Ganosi toothpaste, you have Ganosi massage oil, and then you have soap, etc. Why do you have to buy your soap of a particular brand from a supermarket, and you don't get PV? And use the products, You get your own PV, maintain your own PV, and that is your marketing strategy. And with that, of course, you duplicate, you share, and DSN gives you the platform to share the health knowledge, the marketing plan, the business, and your success is a journey. Be perseverance. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. So, like myself, 19 years in DSN, it's still, I won't call myself successful. It's still a journey. I'm still learning what is Gadodama. I'm learning from my clients. Okay. The fire in my heart is still burning. It's still burning because the joy of sharing gynotherapy is in my blood. It's in my blood. And everyone out there needs you. And you should team up and educate the world. Share your love with the world. Because DXN is not for this generation. It's for generations to generations, because we are going to build a better tomorrow. We want to see a better, good health generation tomorrow. Our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren. And that is our DXN mission. So may God bless you, health, wealth, and happiness. And all of you are going to be our health ambassadors.
थैंक यू मैडम. मैडम ने बताया ये तो डीएक्सन में सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए हम सभी को प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज बहुत जरूरी है. फर्स्ट थिंग, आप प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करने के पहले प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी आपको चाहिए. उसको जानकारी को आप ठीक से नहीं समझे तो अभी गैनाडर्मा के एक एग्जांपल मैं देता हूं. ये लोगों ने कंज्यूम करने के बाद डीएक्सन प्रोडक्ट्स में जनरली ये एलिमेंट रिफ्लेक्शंस और हीलिंग क्राइसिस जो हम बताते हैं वो आता है. लोगों ने कंफ्यूज करता है, ये रिएक्शन है, डर जाते हैं. ये कोई भी गैनाडर्मा के बारे में जानकारी किसको है वो नहीं डरेंगे, उसको खुशी होंगे, क्योंकि वो सोचता है ये काम करने का तरीका है. उसका देह के ऊपर वो काम करते हैं. इसीलिए बट जो इसके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, गैनोथेरेपी के बारे में कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं है, वो नहीं सीखा है, वो डर जाता है. वो जो मरीज ने और लोगों ने, कंज्यूमर ने क्वेश्चन पूछने के साथ उसको आंसर नहीं दे सकता है, इसीलिए फेलियर होता है. इसीलिए मेरा एडवाइस है यंगर जनरेशन को, यंगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को, न्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को इसके बारे में ठीक ढंग से आपका अपलाइन से, आपका कंपनी से, आपका ट्रेनिंग बहुत जरूरी है. आप सीखना है. जब तक आप नहीं सीखेंगे यहाँ सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता है. अभी आप सीखने के बाद इसके बारे में खुद आपको एक्सपीरियंस होना. आप प्रोडक्ट जब तक यूज नहीं करेंगे कुछ भी होने वाला नहीं है. फर्स्ट आपका फैमिली में सभी ने प्रोडक्ट को रिप्लेस करके यूज करना. अभी हमने सुपरमार्केट से हमारा मार्केट का प्रोडक्ट यूज करता है. इट इज नॉट ओनली गैनाडर्मा, स्पिरुलिना, मोरिंजी, ये के बारे में मैं बातें करता हूँ. हमारा सोप, शैम्पू, पेस्ट, कॉफी, चाय, गैना मसाज, सब कुछ हमारा साथ जो है उसको जबरदस्त यूज करे तो हमको रिजल्ट मिलेंगे. रिजल्ट मिले तो हमको इसके बारे में एक्सपीरियंस होंगे. एक प्रोडक्ट एक्सपीरियंस को हमने शेयर करना, लोगों के साथ रेकमेंड करना. हमारा जो एक्सपीरियंस है उसको लोगों के साथ बताए तो हमारा बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस होंगे. सभी क्राउन एम्बेसडर बन सकता है. क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनने के पहले हमने ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनना. वही है मैडम का एडवाइस सभी न्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को. इसीलिए आज का ये सेशन में मैं आपके साथ मेरे एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करने में बहुत खुशी हूँ. हमने इसीलिए आप सभी को विशिंग यू ऑल ऑफ यू द बेस्ट. आज का सेशन को हमने ये डिस्कशन को कंक्लूड करेंगे. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. नमस्ते.